Yeah, top of the morning. We got Sleepy Joe in the house. Sleepy Joe, top of the morning, bro. Top of the morning. My man brought out his LS. Hey. LS, first time seeing sunlight in years.
And not seeing I think I've seen a little too much sunlight on the hood.
Dang, is this the new graphics?
No, it's a delivery.
Sheesh.
They matched the wheel, man.
Damn, Fitment tucking tighter than Caitlyn. Jenna, let me see you.
No. Look.
Confidential. Alright guys, we're gonna head out to AT 230 Meat or Carson Coffee. Hey, what do you guys think about the Sleepy Joe look, man? I don't know how I feel about it. You guys see this? How are we feeling about the little eyelid? Sleepy Joe or not? I'm thinking nah, man. I'm thinking nah to the Sleepy Joe. Look kind of tired. 86 looking kind of tired. So, what we thinking, bro? What we thinking? Bro, what the fuck? We got to the lot, and the only food that's here is my man, bro. Where the fuck everyone at, man? What the fuck? Yeah, should we ask them? Should I ask them where the FedEx meet's at? Cause there's 1, 2, 3, and 4. One in the mirror, bro. There's gotta be a FedEx meetup somewhere. Someone gotta teach my man how to read the map, bruh. My man be making last minute corrections, and I'm about to die back here. Hey, you know those memes where it goes, when your friend tells you to follow me, and then they start fucking turning crazy? Hey, that's this guy right here, bro. That's this guy. Freaking guy. Hey, but we're here, man. We're about to turn in right now. Yeah. Hey, how we feeling about Sleepy Joe?
I fuck with it, bro.
Keep or I don't like it, man.
You like it?
Hey, rip it off, man. I think we rip it off.
Joe needs to wake up.
Hey, wake up, man. GR86, wake up, man. Ooh.
Like that.
Hey, how about we leave like this? Holy, looking a little bit like Johnny. Where? Boom. There we go, better. Now that's better. Yeah. See, only the OGs know what's up. But yo, we made it here, bro. Damn, this thing got big. Last time I was here, it was only the other lot. But now this lot,
3,000 horsepower right here, bro.
god damn, what a downforce. Dang, don't be suspicious. Don't be suspicious. If you walk fast enough, it look like a C8. Oh, this one is sick. Got the Ronald McDonald spec. Oh, this is clean. With the Recaros.
Oh, it's you.
Oh, it's you, Alan?
Tony.
What the? All over you, Alan. All right, so now this is the actual event, bro. Set up our premium 4. Is that how you say 4? All of the cars here combined equals the value of my car, guys. Damn.
Hey, lucky Mr. Rainwater didn't pop out today.
Which one we driving? Oh, honest guys.
What supercar is this one?
Out of my tax bracket, I don't know what I'm looking at. I know this one. This is an i8.
4C compact right here.
I know this one. Miata. Wait. Hold on. Hold on, bro. Look at this. Hold on. Oh shit. Huh?
I'm gonna take my car out here, bro.
This you?
Who stole my car?
This you?
Yeah, that's me.
Which one? The silver one? This you, bro?
Yeah, someone took my car, bro.
Oh nah. We run into this guy once again. We saw him at Type S. And look, he is here. He made it into the event this time though. Hey, he made it to the event this time.
Yeah, man.
Last time they saw me, they said nah, bro. Park next door. Here is too cool. They have to separate from the rest. Sheesh. Hey, let's go, AJ.
AJ's gotta hang the full 100 seconds, alright? 100 seconds.
100 seconds. Hey, you guys think he can do it?
AJ Bulls, guys.
You guys think he can do it or not? Hey, you think he can do it?
Let's give it up for
Hey, he got his legs crossed,
100 seconds, guys. $200 cash.
chin tucked in. He got a good form. Legs crossed, chin tucked in.
Girls locked in.
Guys, the bar does move. I can't stress it enough.
Hey, we got 30 seconds, guys. Can you do it? Hey.
We got it, bro.
Hey, that's unfair, man. He's trying to bop to the music. Oh, come on, man. Nah, he didn't get it. Man, I remember when the G series came out, everyone talked shit. Now everyone has one. What's up with that? Yo, what you guys think about the Agile? Got the whole Agile kit on there.
That's the one over there.
The whole Agile kit with the, was that the 666M's chrome plated? Hey. Nah, bro, the best one right here, bro. The best car of the event is probably this Mercedes. This thing is sick. Damn. What does that mean? What does that mean?
They track it on the street. It's cool, limited.
Now that's sick. Y'all see this license plate? What does it mean?
Oh, I didn't even notice that.
What does it mean, bro?
German, bro.
Hey, let's get a closer look at this though. Holy. Nah, this thing is sick. Oh my man actually unwrapped his car, bro. This is Finding Nick.
You see the two turbos in the back.
Let's see. I heard the Turbskis back here.
So sorry, bro. The watches are
Bruh.
See a little highlighter turbo?
Turbskis. With the Workmeisters and the buckets. Golly. Hey, hot take, bro. Hot take, but why does everyone have a BMW now? It's like the new Honda Civics. Back in 2016 when I got my Beamer, no one had it. Holy, look at this F87 though. What the fitment, bro? What the? This thing is sick. Hey. So many G's, bro. So many G's. G82, G87. I mean G87, G82, G80. Other one.
This is just black. Carbon Agile kit.
Yeah. Now this guy got money, bro.
I don't know either.
This guy got money. Yo. Yeah. F80. I think we need to get this one day. Oh, F82.
The white one? That's an Impreza. That's an Impreza.
Oh, shit. Oh, nah, this tough, bro. This tough. McLaren? Nah, this is a Tesla, bro.
All over me.
What the?
This only has a snap-on sticker on it.
About to send this to my mom and tell her to catch up, man.
It's crazy, man.
Look at that.
Everything carbon?
Holy.
Carbon soap?
Wait, what the?
That's rap, bro. That's rap.
It's round, right?
Hey, why they got so much room in this car? It's because of the seats?
And he got another tequila in the back.
Oh wait, that's looking hard.
Dang, BRZ spotted.
Here's ETS, but I mean,
On the
I
trunk.
think it's 3 untaped.
What the fuck? I didn't even realize that.
I was like,
Why
why
is
it
that
look
JDM
different?
plate?
Because this thing imported, man. Right-hand drive.
Plate behind the plate.
The front looks good though. The front looks good.
Dang, this thing is mint. Clean interior.
I think you gotta take the reflectors off, man.
Hey, that's
I don't know if that
JDM,
shit
bro.
works.
It's from JDM. Look, he imported it. Or maybe he just got a sticker.
Or maybe you didn't.
Japanese windshield though.
That's all.
Nah, this is sick.
Temporary operating permit. This is imported. Hey, what the fuck?
Hey, my man imported this shit from Japan, bro. Holy, this thing is sick.
Hey, look. Hey, come look.
86 spotted. Sheesh. Check out this Honda real quick. With the Viscalf. Sheesh. Sheesh. Jimmy? This could be Jimmy. Nah, look at that. Dark as fuck. But nah, this thing is sick. Clear tails. Oh, look at this Lexus. This Lexus is sick as fuck too. Look at that.
Probably reached that.
Yeesh. This is actually clean, bro.
Look how fat his
You got some BBS. Got the Recaros with the gradations.
working cup holders.
Man, I think it's sick. Oh, hey, look, that's a flex, man.
With the carbon roof.
Hey, that's sick. Hey, my M3 had working cup holders too. What about you?
Mine broke. I didn't have an M3 either.
Jimmy's broke too. Oh, this thing's sick. Hey, if y'all are into the F30, F32 game,
JHP Dynamics.
just know, bro.
OG pool, bro.
I walk so y'all can run, man.
Jimmy's 4 Series got cut short.
I help. This used to be JHP Dynamics, bro. I help with the. Yup.
Really?
I help with the development of this lip.
Damn.
I helped with the development of the front grill part. 101, remember that, bro? 101.
Hey, remember this guy? Hey, someone gave him a product to test.
Throw
and
the clip.
My man gotta apologize to AFD, bro.
Airplane, I'm sorry, bro. Yeah, I still got one of them though. Still got one of them.
And he wrecked it. Let's go check the VB. Dang, just like us for real. Same fitment, everything. Hey, look. At least his wing matches his car.
Hey, Wool Valley Blue is really hard to get.
He got a spoiler with the wing.
I like it like that.
Sick ass food. Oh, look at this guy. Hey, you ever pull up to a parking lot and you see the stock version of your car, so you park next to it so you can show its full potential?
I've been doing that.
Move it over, Johnny.
Yeah? Hey, move yours over too.
What the?
Two spots.
All over you, man. Hey, is this the see you later gray? It's kind of sick. Look at this.
All over 10, bro.
But nah, look at this one. Damn. What? Hey, he bagged or static? Static?
Static. He's back. You see the airlines?
It's bagged?
Yeah.
What style sauce you doing?
Man, this thing is sick. Whose little belly pan fell off, bro? Scraped on the way in.
BMW, bro.
And look, you can see the oil.
Oil, right?
You know it's BMW.
Y'all see that? All over, bro. Hey, you see that, Johnny? They're talking about you. They say, look at this L fitment. Ooh, this is clean. Wait, this is actually clean. Holy. Hey, that's sick. Ah, this is clean too. With the big ass wing in the back. Hey, good call, bro. Good call on the Sleepy Joe eyelids. Nah, this looks way better. Oh, nah. Nah, no. Why didn't you stop me, Johnny? You see, Alan, the real one, he stopped me. You're like, nah, it's cool. It's cool. But nah, the best angle is right here when you can see the wing in the back. Damn. Nah, this thing is sick. Here comes an 86.
He could be running the BCH
Jeez, that's the thing.
normal.
All the 86. Jeez.
No, how did we're working? Shut up.
The Jeeps are always nice, man. Oh, no, this is sick. Look at the wrap, bro. Look at the wrap on this thing. Should Jimmy get the Gen 1 BRZ FRS or should he get Miata? He been debating about the two, bro. Miata or Gen 1? Man, all over Johnny. Hey, how come it's always like this, man? When they come in pairs. There's a VB and then there's an 86 right next to it.
I told you. Every BB needs their 86, bro.
And then a great Japanese friend.
Wait, this is literally us. It's not core, bro. It's Jimmy.
57 CRs.
Martini work.
Out of my pack bracket.
Hey, let's see what's under there.
Yeah, me
Hey, this thing
too.
is sick.
Oh, it's all over
Ah,
you.
yeah.
All over you,
That's
Johnny.
something else, what the hell? Oh shit.
Yeah, PTSD to Type S car me, bro. Why the fuck is this line not moving? But check this out. Sheesh, that thing is clean, but nah, the line's not moving. Nah, I can't get over this, man. This whole lineup is so fucking colorful. And then random GR86 right here. Hey, that's sick.